Okay, let's go. Which one are we doing? Ipsy or Sephora? I already know it's in my Ipsy. It's not great. Your Ipsy's heavier than mine. You're probably
What? How do you know?
I looked in it yesterday.
Wait, we haven't started. Oh my god, you're moving so quick again. Okay, wait, let's start this. Oh yeah. Okay, tip. You gotta look at the circle.
I know, I was
it's
just
so hard
looking
because
at
I
it.
always look and make sure I'm in focus and I'm like, it's auto.
Okay, ready to go.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and this lovely lady over here is my beautiful and smart and talented daughter with multiple channels.
I have two.
I know. So I want to like tell people about it. Sorry if I have chocolate in my teeth. I had some lilies.
I just announced my second channel today. It's my vlog/random channel.
And I watched the first vlog
Did
video.
You like
it was so funny.
Isn't it so funny when Madison, it's Maddie bleeping, and I put a noise. that laugh was so disgusting. I'm so sorry. But like, I love doing that. It's so funny. But like, I don't like, you know, say bad words that I need to bleep out, you know?
Yeah. Well, anyways, her name is Hailey. Her main channel is called Love Hailey. It's all makeup related. Her second channel is called
Living with Love Hailey.
Living?
Yeah.
I thought it was vlogging.
Wait, maybe it's Life with Love Hailey.
Yeah, it's
Life with Love Hailey.
It is, yeah. And I have a second channel
Did
too.
I put it wrong in my? Ah, man.
No, I'm pretty sure. I don't know.
I messed it up on one of my things.
Oh.
Just keep talking. I'm gonna be on my phone.
Anyways, my second channel is Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where I put keto related content up and vlogs. So anyways, what this video is depends on who you ask. Sometimes this is like ruthless, salty bitterness of a mother. Yeah. Total tea, where she's jealous of her teen. Jerry Springer, think a little Maury Povich, whatever. What we like to think it is, it's just a friendly game of who got the better Ipsy bag. Some people just make it a little crazy, but I guess you know you made it when you made it on Rich Lux. We haven't yet, but you know, maybe one day. Okay. Anyway, so what this is the monthly April 2019 Ipsy Glam bag. Now this is a $10 a month subscription service that Ipsy does send to you every single month. You do fill out a profile. Our profiles are completely different. That's one of the fun things that, you know, we like to compare, is the fact that obviously I'm a lot older than her. My skin is different, our skin tone is different, our hair color is different, all of that. It's a lot of difference. But anywho, I do lie on my profile. So I don't say that I'm actually 40. I say I'm like early 20s or something, because I started getting better things. I have a hack.
So one of my friends reached out to me and they're like, hey, how do you get a good Ipsy? Because my Ipsy is crap. And I was like, okay, man, this is what I do. Or, okay, girl, this is what I do. I went in there, this is what I did. I checked all my settings. So when I set up my Ipsy, I put that I had medium brown hair, because like I'm half blonde, half brown. And so I put that, blue eyes, fair skin, and then in my brands, I only picked high-end brands.
That's what I do.
Yeah, and then I picked, I put like 2 drugstore brands in there that I couldn't help myself. Like NYX, I can't help myself, I love me some NYX. And then I went in and I selected where it was like lipsticks, or like how comfortable am I with makeup. I selected very comfortable and like all the stuff. But then when it gets to like, do you wear neutrals? I'll put sometimes. And do you wear blues? I put sometimes. So then that way it gives me a good mixture. So like if it's like often, sometimes, or never, I put sometimes.
Dude, I don't even remember those questions.
Well, I just went through and I screenshotted them all the other day. I just sent to my friends, so that's why I remember them.
Oh, okay.
I might sneeze.
What?
I might sneeze.
Allergies got her. God bless. God bless.
Thank you.
One more? God bless you.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, you want to go first?
Yes, this is the really cute bag. It's really cute. You know what it reminds me of? The Adam Lauren times Tarte palette that I got. I won it. They did a giveaway. Tarte did a giveaway, and I won one. And I'm just...
It happened today, y'all.
I cried. I FaceTimed her and I cried. So yeah.
Yeah, it was. I wish I had been vlogging.
Yeah, I wish you
I would have gotten
recorded me.
I didn't think. I'm like really tired and.
Well, you were on pause anyways, because I was on GPS.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
oh
you
yeah.
want to go first?
Yeah. Okay, this is the bag. It's really cute. It has lemons on it. It's like a nice. It feels like it'd be water resistant. Go ahead, open it up. You get this, what tells you everything you have in here. I'm not overwhelmed by my bag this month. I'm not gonna lie. The first thing I got, wait, oh my gosh, is this like a, I like the color of this. I thought it was just packaging before. Is this APTO skincare nourishing mask, and it's the blue spirulina.
What?
Spirulina.
Haley.
Spirulina. And it's for dry skin types. Me. So, yay.
Yes, she does have more normal to dry skin, and I have more.
It gives you hydration.
Combo. Okay, so I did get the same bag, and
ooh, whoa. Oh, it's a sheet mask. I was like, what is that?
I believe there are two. So I got a broccoli pumping mask and red fruits brightening mask by the brand that I can't enunciate. So hopefully you guys can see.
Dr. something Beauty Lab.
There we go.
Beauty Lab.
There. Okay, so I'm pretty stoked about that. By the way, I'm using my vlog camera because my computer is apparently getting moody like my old camera. So I guess it's time that I just vlog with this camera and then film makeup stuff with this camera. So anyways, got two of these bad boys.
The next thing I got in here is a fan brush from the B$B. Oh, BDB, $1 billion brushes. And it's nice, it's soft, you can feel it. Feels good today. I like it.
So, shut the front door. Okay, so you guys are gonna see this video first because we just got our Ipsy bags yesterday. So I already filmed today, so you're gonna see this shirt a lot. But I filmed Boxy unboxing, Ipsy unboxing, so spoiler alert. I got one of these little doodads. Oh, okay, excuse me. No, okay, it's not gonna focus, so there's that. This is the Laura Sanchez Moods.
Ooh, what was the other one you got?
A whole palette. This is just a single. It's a single of the blue, but I don't know how, my camera doesn't know how to focus when there's so much going on, guys. So it's this really pretty blue.
I have a turtleneck. I really am, like, okay, sorry.
It doesn't say, like, it just has an alien on the back. Let's see. There you go. And then here is, there you go.
When she said earlier she got a whole palette, it sounded like you said you got a whole pilot.
Pilot.
I got a whole pilot.
Whatever. So anyways, I got a single shadow, but I'm not going to swatch it.
Good bag giveaway.
Yeah, I'm really definitely thinking, because it's so blue.
The next thing I got is this Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and it's at the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Yeah.
Would you look at that?
Oh, look at us being twinsies.
Twinsies again. So this is for your whole face, right?
I believe so.
Well, that's cool.
I kind of want to feel what it feels like on my hand.
I hope it's not silicone-y.
Oh no, it's like the Too Faced Hangover.
It's actually fairly
cool,
yeah.
Like mine's missing a little bubble right there, and that's it.
I don't know if you guys can.
Whoa, mom, look at this. I'm shook the house.
Wow.
Okay, this is where I didn't have it. This is where I put it, and it doesn't feel silicone-y, but it really filled in my like hand lines.
Not mad about that.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, you want to go again?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look what else we're twinsies on.
Oh,
same fan brush.
And the next thing I got is this Eyeko Black Magic Liquid Liner, and I love these. Let's swatch it. I haven't opened it. Ooh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
So. What?
It's like bouncy. Do it.
Oh. Oh, that's odd.
It's like in there. That's where the ink is.
Oh, that's cool.
I think.
Okay, so my next item is by The Balm. This is the Balm Joy Creamy Lip Stain Gloss.
What color is yours in?
Nuh-uh, you got that too?
Yeah.
It doesn't say. Oh, very pink.
Same, we got the same ones. Ooh, it's like a berry pink though.
she's already swatching, so I'm not going to swatch mine. But here's an up-close look. Hold on. Swatch. That's what it looks like. That's the swatch, and then the doe foot.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to use it or swatch it. This will probably end up in a goodie bag giveaway because you guys know me and my colors. They freaking me out.
She only likes me. Okay, my thoughts on my bag. I liked it. I wasn't overwhelmed by it though. I think we tied, honestly. You didn't like that blue eyeshadow.
Yeah. I like the sheet mask and this. Even though I'm like normal to combination, I am excited about the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Other than that, I could have lived without, well, okay, these two items. That was it. Everything else, blah. You know, I don't think it's horrible, but the blue is just, you guys know, not my jam. So I definitely agree with you, Haley. I think it was a tie.
Yeah, I really am excited about this. It made my hand feel really smooth. I'm excited about this. I love fun lip colors. I'm excited about this because it's blue. Like the color that you see, this is the color of the actual mask, and I love that. You know, you can never go wrong with a brush. And then eyeliner, I like eyeliner. Like it's a good bag for me. I like everything that I got, but I'm not overwhelmed about it.
Like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Because last month you killed it with the Oprah highlighter.
Yeah.
She got like a full-size Oprah highlighter. Apparently
I'm using it today.
Also, it's pretty. Also, Ipsy does this thing where you can pay a couple bucks and get extra products put into your bag. I actually did pay attention this month. I got the email. I didn't see anything in there that I wanted to pay the couple bucks for. So, anyways, that's going to be all for today's video. She's got to get ready to rush out the door, and we still have to film our Sephora. So, I'm not going to give a notification squad shout out, but I do want to give a big, huge thank you shout out to my Patreons, Cami and Mud Angel, aka Rachel. Thank you guys so much for your support over on my Patreon. I'm still figuring it out, guys. You're gonna hear that in like the next 5 videos. But thank you both so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. And for all of y'all who have subscribed to my channel, subscribe to Haley's channel, click those like buttons, click those notification buttons. Thank you guys so, so much. You guys' support means the world to us. So anyways, until next time, friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!